Hey everybody, what's going on today? I just thought I'd check out the little campground that just a ways from my house. It's a paid one, but we'll see if it's open. Just do a quick tour, piss everybody off. It's Sunday. Everybody should have went home anyway. Oh, no motorcycles. Oh well, I'm gonna stay on the road and I'm not gonna do anything irresponsible anyway. Fire ban in effect. This is Red Lodge Park. There's a day use area down here somewhere. There's potable water. I'm thirsty. Oh, I'm not gonna worry about it. This is one reason why I like the stock exhaust on this bike. You can just puddle on. There's river right there. It's kind of cool. This generator's noisier than the bike. And there's the creek, the river. That's the river. This is the same river where I did my mail call. It's just about 20 kilometers north from where I did it, so I just want to rip through here. That wouldn't be very sociable-like. Drinking water. I have no way to put it. It said no dirt bikes. This isn't a dirt bike, it's an adventure bike, and I'm not even doing their speed limit. Okay, I want to get out of here now. This place gets packed in the summertime. It is a nice spot. A little too close for comfort for me. Holy crap, who keeps texting me? Yeah, I probably could have went a bunch of times, but I'm in no hurry. Are you serious? Bugs in my helmet. Ah. Get out, get out, get out. Ah. Anyway, everybody have a great day. Get out and ride if you can. Weather's beautiful. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and we'll catch you on another ride.